How to fix deleted photos showing again in gallery. So if you want to fix deleted photos showing again in your gallery, then what you need to do is just simply tap and hold on to that gallery or the albums application, whichever application that you have on your device. Go with the app info and tap on storage and cache. And after that, go with clear cache and your problem might be fixed. But the other thing you need to make sure is just open up your albums or your gallery. Scroll down and go with the recently deleted section. And from there, now you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that select, and then select all and delete. Delete the things from your trash also. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to that albums section and go with the app info. And here go with permissions. And under permissions, make sure to allow all of the permissions like photos and videos permission if you have that. And the next thing you can do is just open up your settings. Once you open, go with the apps section and go with see all apps. Go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on show system apps and go with search. Under search, now you need to search for system UI. Tap on it. Once you have the system UI, now you just need to simply go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache and also clear storage. And now you need to restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix deleted photos showing again in your gallery. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.